Welcome. If you've recently updated your Telegram app on your PC and want to log in using your phone number, this easy guide will walk you through the new steps. No fuss, no confusion. First, launch the Telegram app on your computer. Once it opens, you'll see the option to start messaging. Go ahead and click that. Next, instead of signing in with other methods, look for and click on the option that says using phone number instead. This choice lets you log in with your mobile number linked to your Telegram account. Now, enter your phone number carefully, making sure to include your country code if needed. After typing it in, click Send Code. Here's the key part. Grab your phone, open your Telegram app there, and go to your chat list. Telegram will send a verification code directly to your app, not via SMS anymore. So, look out for this code in your Telegram chats. Once you have the code, return to the Telegram app on your PC and type it into the provided space. Finally, click Next, and just like that, you'll be logged into your Telegram account on your computer. Your chats, contacts, and settings will sync seamlessly, letting you use Telegram on a bigger screen right away. Logging in this way keeps your account secure and makes switching between devices smooth and hassle-free.